kids.
Okay, you do better. Try not to do
Hello, kids. My name's Archie. And this is Mama. And there is a robo boat.
A robo speedboat. Wow, that's so cool, RJ.
A robo boat.
Yeah, so tell the kids what it can do.
She can do. She has a control.
She has a remote control. Okay.
You can be. This is called elections. She can go forward and backward, and forward and right. And makes this a circle like that.
Yeah?
And she can do circles.
She can do circles?
This helps her turn around like a little circle.
This remote control here? Okay, so Mommy's gonna read the name of it. This is Adventure Force Mini Boat, Radio Control Vehicle.
Natural typical.
Yeah, remote control vehicle. And what color is it?
Blue.
Yeah, it's a really pretty blue. Blue and white.
The blue is blue means cry.
Oh, is that what it, blue means sad? It means you're blue.
Red means happy.
Oh, red means angry. Oh, no.
Green says happy.
And green says happy. All right. Well, that's pretty cool. We should get to opening it, huh? Maybe put it in the bath later tonight.
Dad, this is a red dito.
Yeah, that one
And
is red on the
that's-
side.
It's a green dito.
Mm-hmm.
And
Can I
that's
see the
it.
green speedboat? Oh, my. Look at all the colors you can get.
This is red color, and this is blue color, and that's green power.
Yeah. Yep, that's pretty cool, buddy. Cool toy. I can't wait to see you play with it in the
We
bathtub.
have blue one.
Yeah, we bought the blue one.
Let's open them then.
Okay, let's open it.